Gotcha. I saw them swiping at it. I don't think they're big, but man, that's what I come for. So I'm going to anchor out of this because I think there's a few more in there. Beautiful. Alright. First fish off on the new rod. And he grabbed it and ran. Alright, there you go. Probably, I don't know, small fish, 25 maybe. Anyway, off he goes. Gotcha. Oh, that's a bigger one. I think it's bigger. Right off the poo pipe. Right, anchor. Oh yeah, that's a bigger fish. It's not a giant. Oh, my goodness, it's fun. Zinging the drag. And I was using these assist hooks the other day for bass. Not as good, man. I need bigger ones. I reckon the new dial ones that Hot Tackle sell look pretty good. There we go, that's a better fish. Not sure if I don't think I was rolling this time. I've got another one, just a little one. Boom. Big long tom. Yeah, he's coming up to have a look. I don't want him to take it. Just want to get a better look at him. Yeah, he's pretty big though. Here we go. Now my drag gone up. There's others behind it. Nice, Gary. Another little one. Tony Creek Bream. They're all pretty little up here. You get the odd ones that are sort of up around the 38, but most of them are like 25 to 33. And this one's not even that. But I haven't had any action in a while because I've been battling the wind and I moved spots where I don't want to be because there's a bit more traffic where I was before. Anyway. Let's see if I can pull another one off that. Just shade. Yep, straight away. Oh, missed it. Seems to be a few of them there, those little ones. I'm just going to cast at it. Here we go. Oh, bugger. I'm not getting the hook set on them. They're hitting it every time it hits the water. Now that wind's just blowing straight in my face. It's going to be hard to cast where I need it. Yeah, right there. Let's go. Here we go. Gotcha. Oh, I knew I'd get sharp. Oh, it's not a bad one. I hope I'm recording. Ah, it's got a bit of go on them. Not huge, but hells yeah. Gotcha. Oh. Not being that job. Nah, full lift. Let's go. Another little bream. Beauty. I'll get this one back. Ooh, that sounds like a bream. Here we go. Gotcha. Haha. I hope I'm recording that. Oh. This one's fish of the day. It's at 34. Not a bad little fish. I'll unhook her and I'll get it back.